Raising vegetable beds up off the ground is a great idea because you elevate the plants off clay or poor soil and create the best conditions for growing. It's particularly good for growing vegetables because the soil stays warmer. And because vegetables are more intensive work than other parts of the garden, raised beds help with accessibility. Using macrocarpa or other hardwood sleepers means your garden beds will last a good long time. When positioning the bed, level the soil beneath, but if it's lawn, remove the top turf layer first. Put a permeable layer over the ground before adding lawn mix to create a barrier to stop weeds coming through. A layer of weed mat or newspaper is ideal. Your raised bed should be 300 ml deep for growing vegetables. This allows enough depth for the roots to expand. Fill the bed with garden mix, leaving a 2 to 3 centimetre edge from the top. It is really important to pack the garden mix quite firmly. It is a loose mix and it will compact down. Leaving the 2 to 3 centimetre edge is very important so that when you water the bed, it won't overflow. If you'd like to be 100% organic in your food, use Living Earth certified organic veggie mix. It's specifically formulated for growing without chemical fertilizers. Remember to water daily in the warm growing season. Here's a tip: add a layer of mulch or pea straw in and around your vegetables as they grow. It keeps the plant's roots moist. So what vegetable plants or seeds can be grown in a raised bed? Anything. For more information on raised vegetable beds, you can download our instruction sheet or collect one from your local Central Landscape Supplies. Don't forget we've got free loan trailers available to help you get your veggie materials home.